my name's Zain. Welcome to my video. Today, I'll be talking to you about the toughest animal ever, the water bear. I will also help you draw it. This is how it looks like. The water bear is a micro animal. That means you could only see it with a microscope. Even though they're so small, they are very tough. They could even live everywhere. Forest, snowy mountains, oceans, and even outer space. They could even survive without food or water for 30 years. When the temperature gets very, very harsh, they fall asleep. They eat algae, plant cells, and even other water bears. They're short and plumpy and have 8 legs, and they have very sharp claws. Yeah. And now let's draw. Now we're gonna draw one almost moon shape. Okay. Don't make it too dark. Make it light. Now we're gonna put a half. We're gonna put a circle, but not too big or too small. Just regular. And remember, always pause the video. Now, let's make the bottom. So now let's get these closer together. Now, let's just take one down. So now, we're gonna do the legs. One leg like this. The other, this one that's gonna be right here, is gonna be half a square. One small sideways S, not too big, not like about this big. And now let's do one like this over here. Now over here, we're gonna make one just deep black dot. Don't do it too big like me. I'll just erase it and do it again. Now, let's do one curve over here. Let's make a circle. And another circle. But actually not a circle, and actually an oval. Do the teeth. It doesn't look like they have sharp teeth, but they do. Let's do another leg over here. And we're gonna put a curve here. And one bump over here. Let's add over here. And let's put one over here. So now, let's do the details. Now let's put a curve here and a curve over here. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. We need to make here a little bumpy. And now let's do one leg here. Now let's do the claws. One claw here, other claw here, third claw here. Let's just do all of them. Now, let's do the body and then we're all done. Let's add bumps. Let's get one here, another here, another here. Copies. Go smaller and smaller. Now we're gonna do short details here. Now let's move over here. So we're done for today. I hope you liked the video and I hope you enjoy. And you're gonna see me in the next video. Bye!